In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 3D text in Pixlr, step by step using Pixlr E, which is the advanced editor. This is a super simple effect that can make your thumbnails, banners, and social media graphics look much more professional. If you've ever wanted your text to pop off the page with a clean 3D look, this tutorial is for you. And if you enjoy easy design tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos just like it. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Pixlr E, not Pixlr X. Pixlr E gives you the tools you need for more control and better layering, which is exactly what you want for this effect. Once the editor loads, choose the text tool, which is the T icon on the toolbar. Click anywhere on your canvas and type your text. You can use any word or phrase you want, but for this example, keep it short and bold so the effect is easier to see. Now, here's one of the most important parts. Choose a thick, bold font. Fonts like Impact or Montserrat Black work really well because they have enough weight to hold the 3D effect. If you use a thin font, the shadow or depth effect can look messy, uneven, or hard to notice. So take a moment to pick a strong font that gives you a nice, solid shape. A light blue is a great example, but you can use any lighter color you want. The reason for this is simple. The darker layer behind it needs to stand out clearly, and a light top layer gives you better contrast. That contrast is what makes the 3D effect look clean and readable. Once your main text is ready, it's time to create the depth. Go to the right panel where your layers are listed and select your text layer. Then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl and D on your keyboard. If you prefer, you can also right-click the layer and choose Duplicate Layer. This gives you a second copy of the text that we'll use as the shadow or depth layer. Now select the bottom text layer. This is the layer that will create the 3D look behind your main text. With that layer selected, choose the text tool again so you can edit its settings. Change the color to a darker version of your original text color. So if your top text is light blue, make the bottom layer a dark blue. This creates the illusion of shadow and depth, which is the key to the 3D effect. Next, switch to the Arrange or Move tool, which is usually the V shortcut. With the bottom layer still selected, tap the down arrow and right arrow keys on your keyboard a few times. You do not need to move it too far. Even a small shift is enough. The goal is to make the darker layer peek out just a little from behind the top text. That tiny offset is what makes the text look 3D instead of flat. As you move it, keep checking the visual result on your canvas. You should start to see a small dark sliver showing behind the top text. That little edge is the depth effect, and it's what gives the design a raised, dimensional look. If you move it too far, the effect can look sloppy, so keep it subtle and controlled. If you want an even stronger 3D look, you can duplicate and shift the dark layer a few more times. But for a clean, beginner-friendly result, this one duplicate method works really well. It gives you a nice, bold depth effect without making the design too heavy. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to make 3D text in Pixlr using the advanced Pixlr E editor. You opened the right editor, added bold text, duplicated the layer, darkened the bottom copy, and nudged it into place to create depth. This is a great technique to use for thumbnails, posters, logos, and any design where you want your text to stand out. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick design tutorials, editing tips, and step-by-step guides. And if you want, I can also show you how to make your 3D text even more realistic with shadows, gradients, or outlines in Pixlr. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.